Yesterday I bleached my brows, and today I want to try dyeing them orange because my hair is this like gradient phoenix hair. I feel like if my brows are around this tone, not like platinum like they are right now, but you know, like a bit more orangey, not like vibrant orange like down here, but more like, you know, somewhere around here. Like I wouldn't have to fill them in, or I don't really know. I just feel like I feel bold. So I have my brow brush here and my Overtone Vibrant Orange Daily Conditioner that I use for like fading this faded orange into a more vibrant orange. This pigmented conditioner did fade into this light orange, but when it first is applied, it's more vibrant, more like down here. But I don't want to go with a straight up red on my brow, so I'm just gonna wet my brush, wet my brows. Hopefully it doesn't come out too bright, but like bright enough, if you know what I mean. I don't really know what I mean either. Oh yeah, okay, here. That's a nice shade of orange, right? It's not as bright as down here. Just try to coat them, I guess. Yeah, that's a bit better, right? I don't know if it looks more orange because it's on my skin or if it's actually on the hairs. I think it's too bright. I mean, I'll probably still have to fill my eyebrows in just to shape them, but I'm just going brighter and brighter now. They look so asymmetrical right now because when I fill them in, I don't fill in where my hairs are. I fill in my brows to shape my brows, and where my hairs are very asymmetrical. Like this brow is like the good brow, and then this brow is like a little wonky. Let's just wait 5 minutes. Usually you leave it on for 10 to 5 minutes, but I'll just leave it on for 5 and then rinse it out. It's only been 2.5 minutes, but it's starting to look really vibrant for me, so I think I'm gonna wash it out like now. I feel like a semi-permanent brown would have been a better idea, but yeah, I'm gonna wash it out with some shampoo. Oh, okay, it's not that bad. It's really vibrant. I need it to be like brownish, not bright orange. Oh, who shampoos their eyebrows? What a weirdo. Okay, it's not as bad as I thought it was gonna turn out. It still looks kind of weird. I feel like it's too bright. It'll probably look fine with eyebrow pencil under it. Yeah. Let's try it. This one's Estee Lauder's Hard 9 Pencil in Seal Brown. Yeah, see, that's better. I feel like it's still a bit too orange. I think I done mess up. What do you think? Does it look better with a pencil or not? I think it definitely looks more shapely with a pencil. I loved your reactions, by the way, on my Instagram stories and my YouTube stories where I like was messaging Edon. I'm trying to bleach my brows because I want to be cool like you, but it's not really working. Like 50 something of you replied and said like, oh my gosh, what are you doing? Like, no, stop. And like, haha, this is hilarious. So that just totally made my day. Let me give you a close-up. Hello. It doesn't look that bad actually. It's just a bit like super orange. I think if it was more brown, it would look more natural. What do you think? Let me know what you think the color is like. And I think it does look better with it filled. If you like this video, please let us know by giving it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos like this, definitely make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification to be notified right when new videos drop. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye.